Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo XC90 auxiliary battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection throughout the process. You will need a few basic tools, including an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a voltmeter. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. This small, 12-volt auxiliary battery is vital for your car's start-stop system and electric power steering. Now, let's locate the auxiliary battery. It's usually found under a plastic cover in the engine bay, often on the driver's side. Use your 8mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding this cover in place. Before touching the auxiliary battery, it's critical to disconnect the main battery's negative terminal, located in the trunk, using a 10mm socket. Then, use your voltmeter to check the auxiliary battery's voltage. A reading below 12 volts indicates it needs replacement. With the main battery disconnected, you can now safely remove the auxiliary battery. First, use your 8mm socket to disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive terminal. Carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. It might be a bit heavy. Now, take your new 12-volt AGM auxiliary battery and gently place it into the battery tray, ensuring it sits securely. Make sure the new battery matches the specifications of the original one. To reconnect, start by attaching the positive terminal to your new auxiliary battery, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are snug. Next, head back to the trunk and reconnect the negative terminal of your main battery. Once everything is reconnected, start your vehicle. You might see a start/stop service required message initially, but this should clear itself after driving for a short period, typically a few miles, as the system recalibrates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.